every sense of the word. The sun is out and football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The players are ready to get started, and we cannot wait for the contest that lies ahead. One glance and you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world. And boy, does it add to the occasion. As you can see, we've... Talisca! That would have been some goal.
Well, at least the crowd are appreciative of his efforts.
That is pretty much the end of that. Griezmann. It's one! Forward it goes. Prato. This is promising. Got a shot away! Disappointing finish in the end.
Yeah, on another occasion, all that went wrong may come right.
William Carvalho. Into the channel. Talisca plays it forward. Has a goal!
Can't be expected to deliver anything better than that. This is heroic keeping.
Prato. Oh, what a ball! Talisca!
Well, that's caused a worry or two. A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Well positioned to make that interception. Chance to break. Prato goes looking. And the shot! The keeper's done ever so well.
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Alaba plays it short. Vinicius Junior. Kimmich. And the counter is on. Now it's Griezmann. Gonzalo Guedes. He's in! He's had a go! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
Griezmann completely showed too much of that to the keeper, and he'll be kicking himself for it.
Prato. Talisca. Gonzalo Guedes. That'll be the final action of the first half. Both sides have drawn blanks and toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. And we are up to the break.
What a pleasant surprise to see how open this game is turning into. Just wondering if the two teams are going to keep doing what we've seen in the first half. I hope that a cautious aspect doesn't kick in.
After 45 minutes, it is still goalless. Change perhaps after half-time. We're already already back underway here. It's Rodrigo! Back of the net! And that is the goal we've all been yearning for.
Looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
Madrid draw first blood here.
Well, whatever the manager said in that dressing room at half-time, it's worth the treat.
Vinicius Junior, Prato, Talisca, and here's Rodrigo, Prato. A collective sigh of relief from the defence. Gonzalo Guedes is making a foray down the right. He's got options out wide. Oh, well played. He's taken that really cleanly.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
And this isn't the time to talk about risks now, Jim, is it? They just have to hurl everything at it. And a big chance! Had everyone off their seats.
Look, I'm sure he'll deny it, Peter, but the keeper didn't have that covered.
Lobs it in gently. Didn't over the top. And he's got that one wrong. And that's been won straight back. Quick glance at goal. And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. So here comes a substitution. Fabian Ruiz. Now it's Rodrigo. The ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. Defender's on the back foot. He's got away. Cuadrado. In towards the middle. Timely intervention.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
And it's played forward. Trippier tries to get it forward quickly. Prato. Talisca. Prato. Has a pop! He scored! And surely that clinches it. There really is no way back now.
Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they perfected that on the training ground because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front. They really commit forward in numbers too. It was all very well drilled.
Time for a change in personnel.
Well, his stamina was called into question then, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with his heart and the efforts he put in. He was very willing, though not quite able.
2 up and very little time left. Surely this is it.
Well, that's a really bitter blow. I think it's going to be very hard for them to find the character to respond from that.
Board shows there will be 3 extra minutes. Oh, goes for goal! And that's it. So they have their win. They have all the answers to whatever the opposition.